Hey hustlers, entrepreneurs, and dream chasers. Want to build a business that's all about creativity, flexibility, and potentially massive profits? Then stop scrolling because print on demand might be your ticket to the big leagues. Forget about inventory nightmares, shipping hassles, or huge upfront investments. Print on demand, or POD as the cool kids call it, is changing the game. We're talking about designing awesome stuff, people buying your awesome stuff, and then a print on demand company handles the rest. Intrigued? You should be. So buckle up, grab your entrepreneurial spirit, and let's dive into the exciting world of print on demand in 2024. Get ready to learn, hustle, and watch your bank account grow. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money online with print on demand services. As Michael Essick, a successful print on demand entrepreneur, once said, "Success in the print on demand business isn't about being the best artist, it's about being the best marketer." If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more valuable tips on how to start and grow your online business. Okay, let's break this down. Print on demand is like the ultimate side hustle because it's all about leveraging your creativity without the traditional business headaches. Here's the basic idea. 1. You create an awesome design. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. 2. You upload that design to a print-on-demand platform. More on those rock stars later. 3. A customer stumbles upon your design, falls head over heels, and clicks buy. 4. The print-on-demand platform takes over, printing your design on the product and shipping it directly to your customer. The best part? You only pay for the product when someone actually buys it. No more stockpiles of unsold inventory gathering dust in your basement. Plus, you can focus on what you do best, creating killer designs and building your brand. Now, before you think this is a get-rich-quick scheme, let's get real. Print on demand, like any business, has its challenges. But hey, challenges are just opportunities in disguise, right? One hurdle is standing out in a crowded market. There are tons of creative people out there, so you need to bring your A game with unique designs and a strong brand identity. Marketing is also key. You gotta hustle to get your design seen by the right people. Another challenge is managing your expectations. You probably won't be a millionaire overnight. It takes time to build a following, drive traffic to your products, and generate consistent sales. But here's the thing, with hard work, persistence, and a willingness to learn, you can overcome these challenges and build a thriving print-on-demand business. And we're going to show you how. Alright, let's talk platforms, the backbone of your print-on-demand empire. 3 major players dominate the game: Teespring, Printful, and Redbubble. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choosing the right one for your business is crucial. Teespring is known for its user-friendly interface and massive reach. They handle everything from production to shipping, making it super easy to get started. Printful is another popular choice, offering a wide range of products and integrations with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Redbubble, on the other hand, is like the Etsy of print on demand. It's a marketplace where artists and designers can sell their creations to a global audience. Which platform is right for you? It depends on your goals, product offerings, and target audience. Do your research, experiment, and find the perfect fit for your business. Design like a pro Canva, Adobe Spark, and Procreate to the rescue. You don't need to be Picasso to create stunning designs. Plenty of user-friendly tools can help you unleash your inner artist. Canva is a game changer for design newbies. It's a drag-and-drop design platform packed with templates, fonts, and graphics to make your designs pop. Adobe Spark is another excellent option, offering similar features with a focus on social media graphics and animations. For the more artistically inclined, Procreate is a powerful iPad app that gives you the freedom to sketch, paint, and create professional-level illustrations. The key is to experiment, have fun, and develop a design style that reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. Remember, your designs are the heart and soul of your print-on-demand business. If you're finding this information helpful so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone interested in print-on-demand, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and strategies. Creating awesome designs is just the first step. To make those sales rain down, you need to optimize your product listings like a boss. First impressions matter, so invest time in crafting compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your designs. Use high-quality product images that showcase your designs in all their glory. Don't forget about relevant keywords. When someone searches for a t-shirt with a funny cat meme, you want your design to be the first thing they see. Remember, a well-optimized product listing is more likely to catch the eye of potential customers and convert those clicks into sales. Marketing magic. Spread the word and rake in the sales. You've got the designs, you've optimized your listings, now it's time to unleash your inner marketing guru. Get ready to hustle and promote your print-on-demand products like there's no tomorrow. Social media is your best friend. Create engaging content that showcases your designs, run targeted ads, and build a community around your brand. Don't be afraid to get personal, share your story, and connect with your audience on a human level. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your arsenal. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters with exclusive discounts, new product releases, and behind-the-scenes content. And hey, don't underestimate the power of influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience and boost your brand's credibility. Success leaves clues. The digital marketing world is full of inspiring success stories, and Gary Vaynerchuk's journey is a prime example of turning passion into profit. Gary started by transforming his family's wine business into a multi-million-dollar enterprise using innovative online marketing strategies. Today, he runs VaynerMedia, a digital agency that helps brands grow their online presence. Gary's story proves that with hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit, leveraging digital platforms can lead to immense success. So, what are you waiting for? Let Gary Vaynerchuk's success story fuel your fire and inspire you to create your own digital marketing success story. Start building your empire today. Ready to embark on your print-on-demand adventure? Here's a quick recap of the key steps to get you started. 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of designs would resonate with your target audience? 2. Choose your platform. Research different platforms and select the one that aligns with your business goals. 3. Unleash your creativity. Design eye-catching, unique designs that people will love to wear, use, and show off. 4. Optimize your listings. Craft compelling product descriptions, use high-quality images, and target relevant keywords. 5. Market like a boss. Leverage social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations to get your design seen. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right mindset and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams with print on demand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building your online business. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.